Twin left. That'd be you. 31 dive. So if you're here, you're going to go take that linebacker and push him this way so that he can come through and run a touchdown, and you're blocking all of them this way. If you're there, you're blocking him that way. Twins left, 31. Dive just means it's a run. Trap also means run. Trap is just, instead of a dive would be the first hole, trap's the next one. So, twins right. That just means y'all are blocking this way. 2, 4, trap. Watch this. Look at the other guy that plays the position you play. He's actually coming in and pushing him this way. The other running back's pushing him that way, and he's taking the ball and running right through. So he's pushing that way, he's pushing that way, he's pushing that way, and the running back's coming through. So that is a blown out move. Twins right. You're not doing anything if you're that guy. But if you're on the line, it's big. 2, 4. He's running through here, but everybody else has got to go the right thing. You would take that center guy out and know that he's coming behind you. Now watch, we go the other side. Now you're going through the hole and taking that guy out. Not the center, but the left guy. You take him out, he takes the center out, he takes the linebacker out, halfback runs through that massive hole and gets a touchdown. Twins left. Y'all aren't doing anything over here but blocking out that way, all the way to the sideline so that that guy can make it through. He may need to come over here. So y'all got to push them out the way. That's the tight end because it's twins. You're always the inside guy on twins. If you're him, you're busting through that line. Twins right, quarterback trap. So the quarterback's coming through here. The 22 spot, he's moving over and coming in the block. He's just going to push everybody that way. You're crushing everybody that way. Quarterback's running through. Everybody else is just blocking. That one's kind of a tricky one. Because these guys are running this way, everybody's going to go that way, but we're going to push the other way. That's the only confusing one. Twins right, quarterback trap. You just got to block like crazy. Twins right, slot, middle curl. This is your play. Slot, middle, curl. That's a pass to the tight end. Twins right. Whenever there's twins, you're the inside guy. Slot, middle, curl. Pass protection if you're anybody else. Twins right. Pro setup. Quick slants. Twins right. Quick slant. That's it. These guys are blocking. Everybody else is blocking. Twins right. Quick slant. All right, this is weak wing. Next we're going to do power wing. Weak wing means we take one of these receivers and we put him over here. He's all by himself. Whenever he's on one side, the tight end's always on the other side. So when you hear weak wing left, tight end goes right. Weak wing right, tight end goes left. Okay, you're always opposite. So weak wing left, jet sweep. So he's going to pass it to him. He's crushing in this way. He's running around this way. So there's a good chance he'll hang it in here. He'll push it through weak wing left G. So he can hand it to him or he can run it to him. Either way, it's a run play. Either way, you're blocking that way. So weak wing left, you're pushing right because that means he's probably running left. That's probably what that means. Weak wing left jet sweep. As soon as he gets it, he's gone. Weak wing left. Twins. Jet sweep. Same thing. Now, so he's there, so you're still on the right. You're still doing the same thing. Weak wing left means tight end right. Jet sweep that way, so everybody's pushing to the right. Weak wing left. That means tight end's on the right. It's a 23 dive. 2, 3, dive. Looks like the same exact thing as that last one. But we got to know both. So we got to know the jet sweep. I guess the only difference is now we got our, instead of having 2 receivers out there, we split them up. just showing the defense something different. But we're running the same play. So weak wing left means tight end right, left 23 dive. Weak wing right, that means tight end's on the left, 24 dive. So if you're here, you're blocking left, either who's in front of you or that linebacker. If you're tight end, you're on the opposite of him, you're pushing left because they're running right. Weak wing right, so tight end's on the left. Jet sweep, remember that's just like the 22 dive or 24 dive. They're just going this way. Again, they're just calling it something different because these guys are splitting up. You're still blocking the same people and your tight end's doing the same thing. Just get on the other side. Weak wing left, twins, 28 counter. Psych. Going that way. 2 to the 8 counter. That's the play. But we're setting up weak wing with twins. That's just calling out the way we're setting up. So because it's going right, it actually has you, well, it means you're going right and then pushing left. So any of these guys, you're crushing left so he can run right. Weak wing left. See, that's set up. That's wrong. Weak wings left. Twins should be left. 27 is the only thing right on that. That's a messed up play. Weak wing right. Twins. Tight end drag. That's another tight end play. So because it's weak wing right, tight end is on the other side. It's a tight end drag, which means you're going out and you're going to cruise this way for the pass. If you're here, you're blocking to the right, just in case he decides to run it instead of pass it. Weak wing right, twins, tight end drag. Strong wing. Strong wing means now y'all are together. When he's over here, you're with him. You're not on the opposite side. Strong wing. 38. So you know we're coming this way. 38. So y'all are blocking for him. It's a sweep. He's sweeping around from here to here. So strong wing means you're on the same side. 38 means you're on the right side. And you're just going to block. No matter who you are, this guy or this guy, you're blocking that way. Strong wing left. 37. Now, if you're here, you're blocking that way. If you're here, you're blocking that way. Same thing. It's running 37, 7 left, so you're blocking to the right. Strong wing. 38, which means 3-8. Bootleg, which means quarterback can hand it to him, or he's going to swing out here in a bootleg left and pass it to that wide receiver. So strong wing, 8. That means right side, 38. Bootleg means it's a pass play. He's swinging out here, and he's going to pass it to that guy. So we would push everybody to the right. Strong wing, jet counter. Strong wing, it's the only one they call this. We'll just have to know because it doesn't say right or left. It doesn't say 7 or 8. So strong wing, jet corner just means we're running to that right corner. He's taking the ball and he's going. Everybody's, actually you'd be running a pass play just in case. If not, you're blocking. Strong wing, jet corner, you're blocking left. And if you're a tight end, you're walking out here for a spot. Got to remember that one. That was tricky. Strong wing, jet corner. It's the only one called something corner. If you hear corner, tight end's going short, like an in and out. Unless you're this guy, you're blocking left. Strong wing, 28. 8 means right. Power sweep, which means this guy. It says power, but these guys aren't doing anything, so that's kind of tricky. You shouldn't say power. Strong wing, so here, going 28, so you're blocking left. He's running right. That's it. Sounds like a lot. Just have to go over it. So you got your pro set. Pro 28. Number 2 is running through the 8. Pro 35, number 3, he's running through the 5. Pro 24 counter, he's faking left, he's running through the 4. Pro 33 counter, he's faking right, he's running through the 3 hole. Pro reverse, he's running, whichever way he's running, you're blocking the opposite way. Pro bootleg right, he's coming out for the pass. Pro bootleg left, he's swinging out for the pass. Pro quick slant, going out, cutting in. Post in and out, you're short, next guy's long. Post in and out switch, he's short, you're long. Post slot middle curl, that's you curling to the middle. Then you go into twins. If you hear twins, it's 2 tight ends always on the inside. Run into Pro 28 power. So that's a run. A post in and out. Post in and out switch. Pro power again. Pro power counter. The dive, that's going to the 1 or the 2. Trap, that's going to the 3 or the 4. All runs. Weak wing. Whichever side he goes to, tight end goes